Hello, hi. I've been buying vehicles from Japan for the past 10 to 15 years. And recently, I have been purchasing trucks and buses from Wika, Japan. Wika, Japan has high quality, good condition trucks and vehicles. Shipment is done in a professional, reliable, and efficient manner. The pricing is very competitive. And if you are looking for a truck for your business today, I highly recommend Wika Japan. It is the company you can trust and count on. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Clifford from Wika, Japan. Tell us where you're coming from.
My name is Kennedy and I come from Chongqing.
Okay, so how did you come to know about Wika, Japan and its vehicles?
Okay, so I came to know about Wika, Japan while I was looking for a LOSA. I found it so difficult to trust the internet of things because of the fraud that's there. So I was browsing on Facebook, I came across an ad for Wika, Japan.
Okay, so when you purchased, how was the services, the shipping schedule, and the quality of the product after you got it?
Okay, I'll start with the quality of the product. The quality of the product was very impressive. I doubted them when they say they do the service of the vehicles before shipping them. So I was so impressed, and coming to customer service, these guys were excellent. They were always communicating to me the stages, and shipping process didn't take time. It just took 4 to 6 weeks, and then I received my vehicles, and they never stopped talking to me until the vehicle arrived at my place.
And when the vehicle arrived, how was it? The quality of the vehicle?
And the quality was as good as seen in the pictures. I was so impressed, and I will still encourage those that want to buy big vehicles, trucks and buses from Wika, Japan. And by the way, I got an invitation for the trade fair that's in Copper Belt, and they have given me a t-shirt. I'll be present
wonderful.
At the trade fair, and those that want to be present as well, please don't hesitate. Look out for Wika, Japan at the trade fair, and then consult, ask questions from the people that will be presenting Wika, Japan. Get some brochures, and don't hesitate to get a vehicle from Wika, Japan. With these coming elections, the big vehicles will be in demand for booking. Please just look on the website and get in touch with the salespersons, and you'll be assisted. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.
My name is Philip Davis of Zambia, Mapula Province, Mwense District. I've worked with Wika Japan from 2019. Wika Japan is a very good company. It is one of the largest suppliers of high quality Japanese and used trucks. Their services are excellent, and also the shipment is quick and fast. The transaction is always transparent. Even this truck you are seeing here came from Wika, Japan, almost a month ago. That is when I received this truck. So thank you so much. It is highly recommended that you purchase your truck from this company, Wika, Japan. Thank you. See you.
Thank you for your time. This is Vcar Japan. If you are interested in any kind of Japanese vehicles, trucks or any commercial vehicle, feel free to visit our website. Thank you.